Now, what if we want to download an archive from our own vault? To do so, it's actually quite simple with the AWS SDK for .NET. As you can notice, this is the code in front of us, is the code that is essentially responsible for transferring the archive from the vault to your PC or any other devices that requesting it. To do so, you need to first create a new archive transfer manager. Notice that this is not your regular S3 Glacier client. You need to use an archive transfer manager. Notice that I need to pass the credentials, the region for it, and it should be matching with the vault location. So now we will call the manager. The manager we're gonna call the download method. Now, really important point, and as you notice from the tooltip right here, that this method to create an SNS topic and Amazon SQS queue. So you need to add these two permissions to your IAM user, so it can access these, or you will get like errors of permissions and unauthorized. Now you simply need to pass for this download the vault name, the archive ID. If you remember from the past lecture, we had this program Fast Glacier. Notice that it can show us the archive ID for our own objects. We take the archive ID, we give it the location of the download, and then we can run this method, and it will download the file for us. As you can see, it's quite simple and easy to download such archives from the AWS cloud.